La soka nchini ukizidi kubisha hodi, mmoja wa wagombeaji Hussein Mohamed amedokeza kwamba ndiposa soka iwe bora lazima kuwe na mikakati bora na usimamizi dhabiti.
Only way we can improve our football is start by building it from the grassroots, and it starts with infrastructure. How do you get investment coming back into football? That investment only comes once there's interest and once there's a good foundation in good governance. Those are the key fundamental things that we must address. Infrastructure is key, but good governance is also equally important. You can only have competitive leagues and competitions if you have the requisite infrastructure to support them. And that is the only way you can monetize the sport. You cannot commercialize or monetize football if you don't have good governance and if you don't have the requisite infrastructure to support it. So I think I cannot overemphasize this thing. And one of the challenges we've had in football is that majority of the stakeholders, including government, including private sector, have lost hope. They have lost hope in football, and it's about time we revived that.
Kwingineko wanariadha Boniface Mweresa